new segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you
This NAPA Blue Fuel COB. Be sure to stick around to the end, because I got a Tuesday tidbit for you. Well, I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. This NAPA Blue Fuel COB is a flashlight with 10-watt Cree. It's an LED with IP44 protection.
Yeah, it's a feel-good song.
Comes with this owner's manual, and it's made from anodized aluminum construction. It has this screw-down collar for your micro USB plug.
If you're that different person, your friends, stick out like a sore thumb or a big.
It has a push-on, push-off for full and half-light. It has a spotlight or opens to wide area with a working range of over 650 feet. It boosts a rechargeable 2000 milliamp lithium ion battery. It projects an extremely bright white light with over 720 lumen for 150 minutes. Let's take it out and do some spotlight testing. It also has the USB charging cable. And there it is, the NAPA Blue Fuel COB. Here I am outside. I'm zoomed in with the spotlight out into the neighbor's yard. I'll zoom out here for the wide angle. And I noticed a rabbit over here, and I'm going to zoom in on it for you. You'll be able to see the rabbit's eyes as it kind of scurries out of the way. I'll cue you here when the rabbit's eyes or eye. And right about now you'll see the rabbit's eye, and there he kind of scurries out of the way. I tried to zoom in and look for it, but it's so far away and I'm zoomed so far in that I can't hold the camera steady, and he's behind those trees anyway, so I decided to give up on finding the rabbit. But let's go in the garage and we'll see how it works on more of a close-up zoom in and out. Here we are, and I zoom in on my poster that I have of the 85 Super Bowl champions, the Chicago Bears, the Black and Blues brothers. And here we have Jim Culver, Jay Hilgenberg, Mark Bortz, Keith Van Horn, and Tom Thayer. These guys weigh in at in between 260 and 283 pounds, and they range in height from 6'3" to 6'7". So there they are, the Black and Blues brothers. All right, thanks for sticking around for the Tuesday tidbit. You know, you've got nothing to worry about. If you die, you're either going to heaven or you're going to hell. And if you go to heaven, you got nothing to worry about. And if you go to hell, you'll be so busy shaking hands with all your friends, you won't have time to worry about anything. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.